Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ha bakran halor ka Jingmih otulop kinong tre jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka bahado Saupu Arbanai usembut menteri rang ba ka jelaba Preston dan Song ulaong ba borok lightly District Council kata ka KHADC GHADC bat ka GHADC ki haban dan Jingmih Nalade bat ki haban penyaji Nalade ki kam pisa tengka kum taw ulaong ba shwa ban thung kam ya ki briru ki haptep kat nungut kintung ne kila ne em ban siu tulop yaki bat ka jing pendot ru ki haban Pynduna ban pendap ya borok ki Jingduna. Day na kani kadaw ba uba Preston tensong loong baki nong tre ki sakut tulop namar balada pi kamai tang sispa tengka pi pulut pat aspa tengka kai kabanja na e pinsei ya ka sispa tengka ya kata ka jing e loong ba u e ha ka jing start jong ki ban penyat halor ka jing keno pa ka dan ka jing penan kam bakla ya ka special assistance ka ba sispa kolor ka badang sakut hapo ka jing pet benya jong ka lok kayukta uba Preston loong ba ka syong ha ka jing toket la ka don ne em kata ka jing pendan kam bakla henry yamenta umla ban ong ee.
If you ask me the question of the salary of all the district council, first I should tell you about all the district councils, all the three district councils in the state of Meghalaya. You know well that all these three district councils, they are autonomous. They are supposed to manage, they are supposed to generate revenue on their own. And I'm very sure according to that capacity, then appointment or recruitment is accordingly decided. So therefore, as far as the three district councils concerned, be it Jante Hills, be it Khasi Hills, and be it Garo Hills, I've seen not only this year, in so many years, this issue keep happening. Sometimes the staff did not get salary for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, except maybe in Khasi Hills district council. Otherwise, as I said to you, so many years it happened that way only. So ultimately, from the government side, we have nothing to say much, but we would like to only suggest and advise all the three district councils to also understand, to minimize the unnecessary expenditure. Because if you don't do that, if you earn 100 rupees, you spend 200 rupees, then you tell me that 100 rupees you spend more than what you earn, what will happen? So this is my reply to the issue of the salary crisis of Garo Hills, even Jante Hills districts. It is too much. And then Garo Hills also, it is too much. Even 2-3 months, it's not issue. You get a point? How the employees manage to survive? Even 2 months, 3 months. So now we leave it to the wisdom of the respective district councils. They need to also manage financially well and understand the crisis that they are facing. There were incidents where we ultimately helped them out by way of releasing advance share due to the district council. We used to do that and we keep doing that. Okay, so we will see again with the situation that we have seen in both these two district councils.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra